That sneeze during play, it's not what you think. In fact, he's speaking a language all his own. This is called a play sneeze. It's a vital communication tool in the canine world. It signals to other dogs, this is just a game, I'm not actually attacking, so why does it matter? If your dog stops sneezing during rough play, the energy has likely shifted from fun to serious. That's your honk cue to step in and reset the mood. Understanding their behavior helps you keep the play fun and safe. Pawsitive Sciences.